So, hi everyone. We are going to be talking about perceived exertion now. This is one of our key concepts for our surfing lesson. We have talked a little bit about it beforehand, so this shouldn't be 100% new, but we're going to go a little bit more in detail into perceived exertion. So, starting off, what is it? Perceived exertion is how hard you feel your body is working. So, how do we measure that? And one way that we measure it in this class is by using the intensity awareness scale. And we have a 10-point scale here. So that means 1 through 10. And it starts at, oh, it was really easy, and all the way up to it was past my limit. So this is a good way good chart to use to identify how hard a workout was for you. All right. And over here, you can see we just did our heart zones lesson. So you should be able to have an idea on what your heart rate is, and whether it's high or low based off of the exercise that you're doing. So why is it important to understand this concept? Well, it's really important to understand this concept because it allows you to identify the intensity level of an exercise. Also, I think the biggest thing for me and for you guys is going to be gauging improvement. So if you know where you are with a certain activity, for example, let's say I'm a 5 on the intensity awareness scale for running a mile, then I would know that that's where I'm at. And the next time I run the mile, I can then go back and see, did I improve at all, right? Did I move up to maybe a 4 or move down to a 4 or move up to a 6 to get easier or harder? And that can give you an easy way without having any instruments or technology. You can judge how you feel about a certain exercise and how your body feels, all right? And that's it for perceived exertion. And there's going to be a few questions following our fitness activity. So when we do our fitness activity, which is Dolphin Says, I want us to keep perceived exertion in our minds because you'll be answering questions after regarding perceived exertion. So study the chart, get an idea of what it looks like, have it next to you when you do the Dolphin Says video, and it will help you with the questions after. All right? Have a great rest of your day.